Hi everyone. What an incredible place for me to be here. I'm at the Baha'i Temple in Santiago, Chile. Now here's the thing I wanted to say really quickly here. It is very easy when you're in a place this beautiful to be in a deep state of presence. Beautiful moment where just even the surroundings around you get you in a very deeply present state. But here's the thing. You don't have to wait to be in a place like this to just feel great. So simple. Every day I got an awesome little technique I just want to re-emphasize here. Any day you feel not so good, the easiest way to get back to feeling present, just focus on your breathing. In 4, deep through the diaphragm of your stomach, like this, and out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slow down. You might have to do this a few times, but this technique will work every time to get you nice and present. You don't have to be at a beautiful temple like the Baha'i Temple to feel amazing. Very simple. Any time during the day where you don't feel so great, just focus on your breathing. In 4, out 10. And the reason why this works every time is because if you think about it, what an anxious person does is they breathe in too much, they take in too much inhalation of carbon dioxide, and their exhale is not balanced. So what they're doing is they're creating a chemical imbalance in their body. So what we're doing by doing the inhale 4 and the exhale 10, we're literally using our body's biochemistry to literally create like a tranquilizer effect. So your body will naturally calm down. So here's one of the coolest things. This technique will work every time. You might have to do it for a minute or two, but if you keep with it, you will always get yourself nice and peaceful, even if you don't have the Baha'i Temple right behind you like I have right now. So you have no excuse to never ever go a day without being peaceful, calm, tranquil. Listen, life is simply not enjoyable when you rush through it. Take your time today. Relax. Anytime you don't feel so great, just in 4, out 10. Do it a few times and you'll get back to a nice, beautiful state. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care.